There, it's got it. Right, it's not. Look out, Delia, stop!
Ring around the bell.
Are you taking it?
Yeah, it's a video. Really, stop.
video!
Well, it's okay.
No.
You're gonna get all dizzy. She's gonna puke.
No, she's not. She's a dog. She's fine.
Slow, Delia. Slow.
Slow. Okay.
Super slow. Look at this abuse. Yeah, W. It's all right.
Here, show who is by.
Let's go the other
Yeah,
way.
it's not by me or Carly.
Look, it's by Belly.
No hands.
It's Julia's baby.
No
girl.
Now show her hands. What are her hands doing?
They're pushing Bella.
It's an animal. Belly, it's okay. Sorry.
Belly girl, belly.
No, let me spin her. Yeah.
No.
Yeah. You know.
Belly, sorry.
Okay,
Okay, stop, Delia. Come on, Delia.
wait.
Delia, now you're just being mean. Okay, I'm saving.
I'm getting it.
No.
He's mine. He's mine.
Carly, record this. Carly, record this abuse.
She is my puppy.
But you abused her. If you abuse a child, they get taken away.
I made her warm. She was freezing before, like you said. And she's not growling at all. She
Sorry,
was fine
I was
when I was putting
upside
this
down.
on her. She's
Super
dizzy.
sorry.
She was fine when I put the outfit on her.
You're supposed to say that. Just hold her like that.
Well, Bella is a... Bella, interview. Are you a cockapoo? Yes or no?
Bark if you object.
Belly, you gotta fix your widow beard, honey. But wait, get a picture of her sad little eyes. Oh, you can't even see them.
The flash is gonna hurt her eyes.
No, it's a record. Oh, it's so sad.
Belly, it's okay.
Because Belly's mommy's gone, so Belly's gonna cry.
Belly's mommy.
Belly was hiding in the other room, and Belly was hiding all over. Because Bella was really sad because her mommy's gone.
And they were making brownies.
And then I bored myself,
And they I hit the lamp, and
now it's cooking.
Oh, you cut them all up. Yeah. Don't those just look delicious?
Oh my God! Carly, get this!
Look, Anna, you're the one who's been causing all the chaos. It was fine until you came.
Me?
Killing
No,
Bella.
I'm talking about Anna.
She's like gonna drop her. Do you not see this?
You should do a Superman. You know when you like lay on the ground and then like you push people.
Oh, I do that too.
Oh, belly girl. Her tail is uncomfortable. That's why she's moving.
Yeah.
Her tail is uncomfortable.
Oh, I don't care. Yeah, her tail's all in. Her tail's okay. No, it's not. It's right up here by her head. That's her
Oh,
tail.
don't pull on it. Then she'll bite you.
No, Bella doesn't really care if you pull her tail. As long as you don't go like...
Oh, she's growling!
Sorry, Anna tripped me.
Do like a little thing and just do it. Let her out. There we go.
That is
Bella,
Bella's
you're free. Bella, you're free. Bella, you're free.
My shadow. I have a shadow.
Take a picture of Belly in her jacket. She got a window.
To the wall. That's down my
Wanna
balls.
watch Bella?
Oh, these females growl.
Wanna watch
Oh,
Bella?
these
Blow in her face, Delia. Delia, stop, Delia.
I got
Yes, you are. No.
to the wall.
Fine. No, you.
And the sweat one's
Carly,
on my
blow in her
balls.
face. And I'll take a picture.
No.
Blow. Get us close.
I'm about to blow on Bella's
Hold us
face.
behind you.
You're so mean.
Uh-oh, she's gonna get mad now. Carly. Carly, no, she's not gonna bite you. Let's see.
Oh. That was Anna.
I'm her best friend. I'm her owner.
Oh, Joda. Okay,
Sorry
we're
that
done.
my evil friend
The
Delia.
only person she likes is your mom.